Good morning, guys. Welcome again to your English class. We are going to start. I hope that everyone is okay. Let's start with a competence that today we have the competence of speaking, and the learning goal is to talk by asking and giving directions to get a place, okay? Let's start with a class presentation, and for today we have a video. It's a short video. We are going to watch the video and then we are going to answer some questions. So pay attention to the video, okay?
Why are you late again? I'm sorry, there was a lot of traffic. That's always your excuse. I know, I left too late. Then you should leave earlier. I'll try next time.
Okay. As I repeat again, it's a short video you are going to watch with your teacher again, okay? And then you are going to discuss about these questions. For example, was she at work or at the university? What do you think is the right option? Number 2, was the boss angry? And number 3, was there a lot of traffic in the city? Yes, and you are going to choose the option through polling in Zoom, okay? So please be ready for that. Let's continue with a learning building, and we are going to start with this speaking box. We are going to talk about asking and giving directions, right? We are going to divide this speaking box into 2. First of all, asking for directions and giving directions, okay? When we ask for directions, we are going to use some questions, okay? For example, where's the, right? Maybe the hospital, maybe the restaurant, yes. How do I get to, right? Maybe how do I get to the cafe? How do I get to the school? Yes, different options. You can choose many places in this part, okay? Also, we can say, is there a near here, right? Let's continue with the next part, that is giving directions. You are going to find here some of the expressions that you already know. We are going to review, okay? For example, go to the end of the road. Go straight on. Go past the cinema, the station, the restaurant, yes, the supermarket, yes, many places. Turn left, or you can say also turn right, yes. Turn left at the crossroads, okay? Take the first, or you can say also take the second turning on the left. Of course, you can change, take the first turning on the right also, right? Let's review more of the prepositions, and we can say it's next to or it's opposite, okay? It's on the left or it's on the right. It's not far. Yes, remember that far is a synonym of near, right? And of course, you can miss it. That is expression, okay? When we give directions. Remember these prepositions, also these questions, because with this information, you are going to work in the main activity, okay? Now, we are going to listen and read and identify the expression in the conversation, okay? Let's listen to the conversation and then we are going to identify some of the expressions or prepositions, okay? Let's listen. Pay attention here.
Audio 3.38.
There's one problem with this plan. We don't know where to go.
Just a sec. I've got a map app on my phone. Oh no! The GPS on my phone isn't working.
It's probably all these tall buildings. Why don't we ask somebody for directions?
Good thinking. Excuse me. Where's the National Youth Theatre, please?
Go to the end of the road, then turn left at the traffic lights into Holloway Road, go past the Odeon Cinema, then take the first turning on the left. That's Windsor Road. The theatre's on the right. You can't miss it. It's not far.
Great, thank you. So, go straight on, turn left, then take the first turning on the right.
Left!
Okay. This is the conversation and we are going to identify. I'm going to give you some examples and then you are going to identify with your teacher in class. Okay? For example, go to the end of the road, right? It's expression. Next, then turn left. Okay? One more example, go past the Odeon cinema. Okay, of course, in this conversation, you are going to find more examples, okay? And you are going to review in class. Let's continue. And remember that today we have the competence of speaking, okay? So you have to speak to express your ideas in class. Let's start with this exercise. And here we are going to answer this question. How can you get to school from home? Okay, give some directions. We are going to use Padlet for this activity. Okay, for example, to get to school, I have to go to Nip Street, go past the university, and turn left there. My school is opposite that train station. Okay, this is my example. So you are going to create your own example. Okay, and then you are going to share it in class. So be ready. A speaking activity. We are going to finish the class with this speaking activity and you are going to work in groups. Okay. What is the main activity for today? You are going to look at a map. Yes. Let's see the situation. Pay attention here. The tourist is lost and he's at a hospital. Yes. At a hospital here. How can he get to the travel agency? Yes, so remember that this person that is a tourist, yes, he's at a hospital and he needs to go to the travel agency here. Look at the map, look at the map. Yes, and you are going to create a conversation. Of course, remember that in Alexia Classroom, you will find an example, okay? You will find a conversation file where you are going to write your ideas there, okay? Remember the situation of the conversation and let's start working in groups. Thank you very much, guys. This is all for today and we'll see you next class. Goodbye.